Roberts Magic. Walks in. Set. Ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Messi, break quick, little start. Moving up Arias at Pasencios in between horses. This is Saturday Magic. Roberts Magic comes next. Then next online is Smart Code, while Whoa Duck is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Pasencios, Saturday Magic. In between horses comes Messi. Roberts Magic is on the outside, and 5 lengths back in fifth comes Smart Code, while Whoa Duck is still racing in last. Racing down the backstretch, we have Pasencios enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Messi in second. Roberts Magic, Saturday Magic is running by the rail fourth, and in fifth comes Smart Code, while Whoa Duck is still racing in less. And at the further near, Pasencios, a long shot, is still in control, enjoying a length and a half lead. Messi in second. Saturday Magic, or Roberts Magic, moving upon the outside. Saturday Magic is Smart Code, Whoa Duck, and they are now entering the home stretch. Pasencios, the one to catch up, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Moving up now on the outside is Smart Code. Last 100 meters, Pasencios, followed by Whoa Duck, and finally it's going to be Pasencios, Whoa Duck. Then comes Smart Code, Saturday Magic, Roberts Magic, and Messi.
Number 5.